Hi, I'm Juan from CureUV, and today I'm very happy to bring you our new and improved GermAwayUV 95-watt tabletop sterilizer with remote control. This is a feature we're very happy to bring. Some of the Chinese-made units have remote controls, and we wanted to, grow the product line to a point where we have remote controls as well, and motion sensor on most, if not all, of our equipment, while still maintaining production here in the States. And this is that come to fruition. So let me just walk you through it. So it's already on, but we'll start from scratch. Turn it on, takes a few seconds to boot up, and then it tells you off. Right. Pretty easy. And there's a couple of ways to use this system. One is without the remote control. So you just move up and down to check your time. So this one, we can do 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30, 45, and 60. But also we can do indefinitely, just as infinity. If you want to run it for a whole weekend, just leave it on infinity and it'll run all week. Pretty simple. Just up and down with these. And then when you need to start the system, just hit play. Make sure you're wearing your safety glasses, and this gives you enough time to leave the room. I would be leaving the room, I shouldn't be here, right? But I'm gonna stop it, so it's quite all right. So I stopped it with the stop button. That way it actually didn't turn on. So that's how we use it with the buttons on the actual system. To control it with the remote is really similar. First, since it's stopped, you hit D, and that resets it. And then you can go up or down. You choose your time, and then you hit D again to start. Same exact thing. When you want to stop it, then you hit C. Pretty basic, right? Now there are a couple of features that I want to point out about this one that makes it a little nicer than the previous model. Number one is the tower. It's a nicer finish. It's more reflective, and I think it just looks a little bit better, honestly. You have a bit of a glaze. But more importantly, is it has two motion sensors. You can see they look like tiny half soccer balls on the edges. Now these motion sensors make it so that if you turn it on, but your cat runs back in the room, or your child, or even you forget something, it automatically shuts it off as soon as it sees any motion whatsoever from either side. It's just a really good safety feature to have. As we've said, you shouldn't have any exposure to your eyes or skin at any time. Always wear safety glasses and always be outside of the room when you're using these. That's mostly it. I'm just going to show kind of the last feature. Of course, these do come with safety glasses. I have my own, so I'm going to put these aside. And it comes with UVC visualizer card. Now, the premise for this, I've covered in other videos, but I'll do so again, is that you want to make sure that these are turning green throughout your cleaning cycle. So if you put it at the edge of coverage, and let's say, for example, you're doing 15 minutes, and you put this at the farthest point, facing the unit, if it doesn't turn green, then you probably need to do more than 15 minutes to get a full cycle. It kind of helps you determine if it's really getting clean, because obviously it's microscopic, so it's a little bit difficult to tell. This helps us tell if something's clean or not. So I'm going to put this here just for fun, and I'm going to turn this on and leave the room. All right, so I'm going to put it on for 5 minutes. Let's do 15 minutes. Let's start. And now I'm going to leave the room. Okay, so as you can see now, it's run a cycle, and the GermAwayUV card has turned green, so I know that cycle is appropriate for whatever room I was using. That's about all I have on the unit. If you have any questions, concerns, ideas, suggestions, or you just want to talk to us, please, comment on this video or call us, send us an email. We'd love to hear from you. Have a great day.